This morning, a woman is now charged in a deadly crash that killed an off-duty Cook County Sheriff's deputy. 39-year-old deputy Nick Theophanopoulos was on his way to Christ Hospital to relieve another deputy on Monday night when he hit another vehicle head-on. Police say 21-year-old Montserrat Perez was backing her Jeep out of a driveway near 103rd and Kedzie in the Mount Greenwood neighborhood and attempting to turn around when she was hit by the deputy's car. Theophanopoulos was taken to the hospital where he later died. Perez was also taken to the hospital. She is expected to be released and in bond court today. Perez is now facing several charges, including aggravated DUI and reckless homicide. Deputy Theophanopoulos had served Cook County for more than 15 years.